Once Memento has launched, you will be prompted to create a project. Click on the composite icon at the top of the screen and give your project a name. The next screen is where you will choose the dimensions for your canvas. Composite allows you to create a canvas of any size. At any point, if you need more information on a specific section, task, or tool, simply click on Help to access Memento's knowledge base. The next step will require that you import your data file. That file needs to be saved in the CSV format. The editor has 4 main sections. The preview in the center area will show you WYSIWYG previews of your design. On the left side, you will find filters and options for your composite frames. To the right, all of the tools to modify image and text attributes. And finally, at the top, a few icons that you will be using to design your layouts. Click on the circle icon with the grid inside to create your first composite frame. Resize the frame at the top, as we will later add the school name. Next, you need to tell the software what you want displayed inside that composite frame. On the left, under Composite Frame Query, choose a group or role, then choose All in the second drop-down menu, as you want everybody to be displayed in that frame. Memento will adapt to your data file if you have subgroups, and will use the names you have given to your columns. Next, go to Portrait Template and choose one of our simple presets that will modify how photos and text will be displayed in each cell. Next, we'll add 2 more items to complete your first layout. Click on the text icon at the top, reposition the text box, and type in the name of your school. This could also be automated if your data file included the information. Change the font and attributes using the option on the right-hand side. The last thing we will do is change the background color. Click on the edge of your canvas. The paint roller icon on the right should now be active. Click on the white box and choose a color. Once you're done with the design, click on Generate Composite Set. This will create a preview of your layout. Save the project, and once you're ready to print, go to Finalize to export the project as a PDF, a JPEG, or multi-layered PSD. Remember that you can save and recycle any of your design in the future.